Bonjour, habari, Tomela, Fiamora, Shalom, welcome.
By the way, guys, she just forgot to mention Assalamu alaikum, okay, for all our viewers from the Arabic world. Welcome to www.hindridigital.com, and today, as we promised you guys, we have a world premiere to announce to you. And guys, the big news is all about the launch of our brand new training DVD called the Camaro. Okay, the Camaro happens to be, as we mentioned on the website, the first time ever that somebody has managed to teach you guys how to design, texture, rig, and animate an amazing looking car, all within 3D Studio Max. As you can see, I'm not alone here. I'm joined by our new actress. Her name is Hanu Mongale. Okay, she's just going to talk about herself in a moment.
Well, you may ask, why specifically did Henry the Jedi choose to model and design the Chevrolet Camaro? Well, for those of us who have seen the film Transformers, it was such an inspiration, especially where the lady in the car in the movie asks, why does this stylish looking Camaro decide to turn itself into this scrappy old Camaro? And of course, I believe we all remember, for those of us who saw the film, how the Camaro transformed into the new design of the Chevy Camaro 2010 edition. Okay, so for me, that's where I really got my inspiration. The fact that this car is actually a muscle car underneath, but it doesn't really give that desperate appearance of being too muscular for our eyes. Okay, and besides that, the Camaro happens to be a seamless blend of style, of lines and curves. Okay, not so many cars manage to achieve such a feat, and fortunately the Camaro does indeed manage to create such an appearance to our eyes. And by the way, a little bit of history lesson about the Chevrolet Camaro. The Camaro was started as a design project, or as a car project, for the company called Chevrolet in America, and then they decided to come up with a name for their new design of a car. And there were some arguments until they decided to finalize the name by the name of Camaro. And Camaro actually means warm friend. Okay, in other words, the word camarade comes from French, so they took the word camarade and they mixed it with, I don't know, some kind of Spanish or Portuguese going on to it, and they ended up with the name Camaro, which means, of course, warm friend. Okay, and of course, when it was first mentioned at the press conference that Chevy was trying to make a car called Camaro, ooh, everybody laughed. They thought it was a joke. I mean, they went like, you give the name of a car warm friend, you know, and what's a warm friend supposed to look at? Little did they know, ladies and gentlemen, what the final product will look like. And fortunately, this is the stylish looking design that they ended up with, called the Chevrolet Camaro. For me, one of the best looking cars in human history. Okay, and being an artist myself, well, I decided, you know what, let me try to recreate this stylish looking design through the help of Autodesk 3D Studio Max. And this, of course, is the result that we ended up with, the brand new Camaro training DVD for 3D Max, for you guys out there who are animators, designers and so forth. And of course, I knew that we all have varieties in choices, so I decided to create a yellow Camaro, a black Camaro, as you can see on your screens right now. And something in me tingled, you know, to the point where I decided, let me pump it up even further. So I ended up with this Sports GTR Special Edition Camaro for HenryTheJedi.com, you know, to honor this stylish looking car. Okay. So in true HenryTheJedi.com tradition, we are going to show you, to train you, how to design, texture, create a rig, a rig being a set of controls that controls the movements of a car, and of course animate the stylish looking Chevrolet Camaro, all within 3D Max. Okay, and of course, in our HenryTheJedi.com tradition, we are not going to use any third-party plugins. Even the smokes and the tire skid marks and everything else that you see on your screens, we will create using the creative powers hidden all within 3D Max. Okay, and of course you can see the stylish design that's going on. Okay, of course, let me allow you to admire the animation, of course, of the scenes, and of course everything you see we will create. Now, one thing also important to mention about this training DVD is that, remember, we've told you it's the world's first training DVD of its kind, which is so complete in what is covered on it, okay? And then we've the thing is, I really like the sports GTR Camaro so much that I decided, you know what, this one really can't go down like that, okay? So the sports Camaro is available for download as a 3D model on our online store, okay? It just costs a couple of bucks, but hey, please admire the hard work that went into it to capture a stylish looking design, okay? Well, let's get back onto the name of the Camaro, because as I told you earlier, it means warm friend. And for me, being an artist, I truly admire its seamless blend of lines and curves. And some people say that a friend is someone who's there for you in times of trouble, in times of need, in times of peril, in times of despair. And I don't really care what those people say, because I'm not one of them, you know? And because for me, a friend is someone who helps his fellows to fulfill their hopes and dreams. He is a source of inspiration. A friend truly brings out the greatness in us, you know? And I'm very sad to say that I have not found such a one in our diverse world today. What I've found instead is a silent guardian. What I've found instead is a watchful protector. What I've found instead is a beast which plays music even by the very screech of its tires. What I've found is a creature which enchants our sense of smell by giving an aroma because of the smoke that its tires produce. In the end, one has to say that in a world where true friends are difficult to come by, my heart is delighted to say that I found such a rare friend in the warm seat of my Camaro.
And yes, guys, how many times have you seen a beautiful lady standing next to a car? And I thought to myself, well, it has always been overseas shows which have managed to capture such moments on camera. And we decided that for the first time ever, we should have an African lady, you know, being featured on the cover of something that's going to be going all over the world.
Well, thank you, Harry. Like he said, I'm the new actress. My name is Rani Mongale. Yes, I'm Matipe's younger sister. Matipe is the director of the show. Matipe will love you, Mongale. Well, thank you.
So, here she is, okay? I'm sure you've seen it on the site already. Yeah, there she is standing next to the car which is also known as Bumblebee, okay? And yeah, Rano, show us you on the cover there.
Yes, this is me.
Okay.
On the cover there. And this is the back side of the DVD. Well, there's more inside.
So, Mrs. Rano Mongale, how was it like standing next to the stylish looking Bumblebee Chevrolet Camaro?
Well, Harry, it was an honor. Wow, the sky is beautiful. It was an honor. Thank you.
Did you know that it's not real?
Well, I heard, but I didn't know it was not real. But now I know it is real.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, even someone like Rano who hasn't really been in the world of 3D is also impressed by the way in which the compositing was actually done. You can even see the beautiful clouds in the background just to adorn the scene, okay? So yeah, as I said again, Rano is our new actress, okay? Yeah, so if she keeps up with the good work, we will keep her around for some time, you know. Or else, you guys can send me an email, okay, and request for me to fire her, okay? It's all up to you. You have the freedom to choose, okay? And by the way, not only did I want Rano to feature on the DVD, I also ended up with a problem. And the problem was that I had to devise a dress, okay? Of course, you can't believe it that one also can design dresses. I had to design a dress that was stylish looking, that will fit nicely on Rano, and of course still bring out the artistic side of IndriTheJedi.com, okay? So I really had to introduce this session because I knew guys were really going to ask us really, how did you come up with the idea of the dress? Here it is actually. Rano, please tell us more about it.
Yes, this dress is beautiful. Not only the design, but everything that's on this dress. The dress has wings. Yes, it has. And the wings are beautiful.
Did you manage to fly? Did you manage to fly when the wind was blowing?
I flew. I was up in the air. This dress is beautiful, I have to say. And yes, he He is the designer. It's a beautiful dress.
Oh yeah, thanks Hannah for reminding us. It was sewed by my beautiful aunt. Her name is Mary Bampende. Unfortunately, she's not here also. She was a bit quite busy in town.
At first my aunt complained because the dress to her seemed so complex. I mean, after all, she had told me that she had never done such a complex style in her life, okay? And she murmured and she was so confused about all the crazy details I was trying to explain to her. But out of our argument had come a vision of classical simplicity. And ladies and gentlemen, almost in a whisper, after a few minutes, she told me, almost in a whisper, she went like, Henry, the dress is actually so beautiful. I told her, well, auntie, when I get married, okay, that is the kind of style I want to dress on my woman, you know, because here in Africa we really like to celebrate our cultural heritage, you know, the beautifulness even in the materials of the clothes that we wear. Indeed, a tradition that we want to keep around for some time to come. Okay.
I was going to think of giving it to Hanu, but I went like, no. We're gonna send it to the Hindri Tejeda Museum, you know, so that the grandchildren can see what granddaddy and grandmummies used to do, you know. So to all our artists all over the world, all the way from South Africa to Canada, to Afghanistan, to Iran, to Iraq, well, as we promise you, this is a world first in creativity. The Camaro Training DVD available only at www.hindritejeda.com. Okay. Anyways, let's smile to the cameras then before we say goodbye. Okay. Beautiful camera that we got, really. Okay. Yeah. Hannah, say goodbye then.
Okay, people, thank you a lot for your support that I'm about to receive. Bye.
Bye-bye. Until next time, you will believe.